Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by loading the exact position, paste a FEN or import a game file, then press Enter. Once done, choose engine strength and depth so analysis reflects your goal. Make sure to set side to move and limit ply or moves for targeted evaluation. Also enable the move list and board coordinates for clarity. These options speed up pattern recognition. Finally, toggle autoplay when you want to watch the line at human pace, not lightning fast. You run the engine and set multi-PV to reveal top candidate moves. This shows trade-offs and plans. Once running, click a line to expand variations or drag moves onto the board to test ideas manually. Make sure to flip the board occasionally to see positions from both sides. Perspective matters. While exploring, annotate critical moves and add clock or blunder commentary, then save positions as bookmarks. This creates a study set you can revisit and learn from systematically. You finish by exporting the PGN or saving the session to a study so you can review later. Sharing a link invites feedback from coaches or peers. Once saved, cross-check engine evaluations with the opening Explorer and human plans to avoid blindly trusting numbers. If something goes wrong, for example the engine stalls or lags, reload the page first, then clear the cache or reduce engine depth to restore responsiveness. If problems persist, restart the browser.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.